Welcome to the weekend meditation. And we have a full moon weekend, and that full moon is in the sign of Aquarius. And this is the second month that is in that sign. Aquarius, that zodiac symbol, is for the water bearer. And we have a week ahead of us, it looks like, of rain as that hurricane moves through the East Coast. So when we think about water, we think about nourishing our body, which is over 70% water, and also to take time with this meditation to receive and take in essential nutrients for our body and to practice the art of receiving. We tend to be great givers, but receiving is much harder because it can make us feel somewhat vulnerable. So grab your coffee or tea, get comfortable. Picture yourself, feel yourself in your safe space. Sit back, relax, close your eyes, and for this very short 10 minutes, just receive. So begin receiving your breath, just breathing in and breathing out as you release whatever needs to be let go. Breathing in, receiving the breath of life. Exhaling, releasing, letting go. Again, breathing in deeply, holding it, and now releasing and let go. Just let go. Let your shoulders drop and relax. And just find the breath and your own rhythm. As you receive the breath of life, we're calling on all of the qualities of Aquarius to support and nurture us. The famous song back in the 60s by the Fifth Dimension, the Age of Aquarius. We are in that age now. And that song promised freedom, spiritual evolvement, harmony, and balance. So remembering this is the sign of water, imagine that you are simply sitting under or standing behind a beautiful waterfall. As it moves through you, it's cleansing the body, cooling the heat and humidity. It's nourishing every cell of your body. And it's supporting your soul's journey at this time in your life. So again, just breathing in, being in the moment with both your outer world and your inner world. checking in with your inner world and expressing gratitude for all the functions that your body just naturally provides every minute of the day. Again, receiving water, nourishment. Being aware of the water within the body and the water around the planet. Again, breathing in, letting go. Being aware of how water is an elixir of life. Breathing in again, letting go. Imagining water loving the body, letting every cell of the body be aware of our gratitude for its innate healing wisdom and daily functions to keep us moving and healthy. So let us receive that health, vision our body healthy, our mind clear, and our spirit filled with purpose. The body needs water. Every cell of the body swims in the internal waters of the body. So again, just imagining that beautiful waterfall standing beneath it, behind it, and receiving the magic, the wetness, the coolness of water. Remember, our brain listens to everything we say. So again, just saying and expressing our appreciation, our gratitude for every cell in the body and all the functions it knows how to perform. Feeling water all around you, within your being, outside of your being, throughout the planet Earth. Bring your palms, one hand over the other, at the heart center. And just take a moment to receive yourself just as you are in this moment in time. Breathing in, letting go, and staying with yourself. for a few more minutes of rest and restore. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior, and I thank you for joining me. I will see you next week. And don't forget, get a chance to go out and take in the beauty of the weekend's full moon.